Ngayong hapon pong ito, kasama po natin ang 10 sa mga kababayan natin na kumakatawan sa tema ng Metrobank Foundation na Beyond Excellence. Time and again, we have mentioned in this great hall that the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra.
Taon-taon ating ibinibigyang pugay ang mga natatanging individual tulad ng mga guro, sundalo at pulis na nagsisilbing huwaran ng kagalingan, katapatan at malasakit sa bayan.
Our highest loyalty is not to power or to position, but to those we are sworn to serve. On behalf of this chamber, I join my colleagues in celebrating their exemplary contributions to our country.
Mas mahalaga pa ngayon na ipagbunyi po natin ang mga totoong public servant. Mga tao po na nagbibigay ng kanilang oras, talento at buhay para sa ating bayan na wala pong hinihinging kapalit.
Kayo po ay mga buhay na patunay na higit na nakakarami pa rin ang mga kawani ng pamahalaan na tapat na nagsiserbisyo, may malasakit sa taong bayan at katuwang sa pagunlad ng bansa.
To the men and women of the Metrobank Foundation, you have my sincerest gratitude and admiration. For 40 years, this award has upheld the finest Filipino values. Beyond the recognition and praise that come with today's ceremony, the Metrobank Outstanding Filipino Awards serve as a beacon that expands our horizon of aspirations.
These awardees plant the seeds of critical thinking, compassion, and resilience in the mind of our youth.
We are grateful as well to the people behind Metrobank Foundation. The true 4 decades you have helped build a strong support for good governance in our country.
May your tribe increase. Huwag kayong magsawang mahalin ang Pilipinas. Huwag din kayong magsawang maging dahilan upang lalong mahalin ng bawat Pilipino ang kanyang bayan.
Together with my fellow awardees, teachers, soldiers, and police officers, we carry the same flame to serve not with skill but with heart, even in the most uncertain corners of our nation.
To honor these Filipinos who have given decades of their lives to serve Filipino communities across the country with honor, dignity, integrity, and excellence.